In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your Canon TR150 mobile portable business printer. So first step is to open this section and switch on the printer. Once your printer is on, just lift this door, wait for the ink cartridges to move. So to remove the ink cartridges, you just have to press this lock and then take it off. Take your new ink cartridge, match this yellow arrow with the yellow arrow in front of the. To install the ink cartridges, match the colors and also the direction. So match the arrows, place it here, match the arrow and press it down. Again for the black, match the arrow and press it down. Close it. Just wait for the confirmation and we are ready to use the printer. So this way we can replace the ink cartridges and we can also see the estimated level of ink on the display panel. Thanks for watching.